Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how you can change a boring bathroom wall to your own personal garden oasis. To begin, first you'll need to create panels. This makes it so much easier to attach to the wall. I found these plastic chopping mats from the dollar store, which came with 2 mats per pack. Each mat is about 12 inches squared. I purchased about 20 mats because of the size of my wall that needs to be covered. Now, you'll need a lot of fake flowers. Oh my gosh. And a hot glue gun, yeah. So now you want to remove the leaves from the flowers and put them in a pile of their own. Because I purchased different kinds of flowers, I paired the similar leaves with each other. Now start applying hot glue to the bottom of the leaf and then stick it onto the mat. You may want to hold the leaf on there for a few seconds until the glue begins to dry. Now I used a lot of hot glue on mine. I wanted to make sure that that thing wasn't going anywhere. So don't be afraid, use a lot of glue. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this. When gluing the leaves to the mat, put the leaves together as close as you can so that the panel looks really nice and full. Now time to attach the panels. Here you would need a small box of 2 to 3 inch wood nail and a hammer. I start by attaching the panels from the bottom of the wall first, working my way up. And I do so by hammering a nail on the middle of the panel just for stability. Then I proceed by hammering a nail on each end of the panel. And here is the finished product, guys. Beautiful. I absolutely love the way this came out. I also added some mirrors to my wall because I wanted to add that extra ambiance that I like in my bathroom. That way it feels very calming, very zen when I light my candles. Oh yeah, love it. I cannot wait for you guys to try this yourself. Please let me know what you think. Leave any comments, any questions, and I will get back to you. And as usual, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.